How e-commerce businesses can sell with Facebook ads without worrying about the latest Apple update. Are you worried about how to make Facebook ads profitable while Apple's iOS update storm has come and gone? Your ad agency doesn't have a way to make advertising more effective yet. Then this post is for you. Their Facebook ads advertising service is based on the idea of how to make Facebook ads weather the storm of updates from Apple. It's simple: focus on a copy, compelling images, and irresistible offers. Those are the three things you need to have in an ad that makes customers stop scrolling and click on your post. Yes, the old way of doing things makes you just attract customers to your landing page then do remarketing ads. After measuring conversions on the website, the landing page. This new way of doing things helps you no longer need to care about the Facebook pixel. It is concerned with attracting customers to click on the ads from the first impressions. This is not more granular targeting, which needs to write copy and have attractive images. Make customers want to click to continue the irresistible offer that will make them buy from you. So you need to work harder instead of being superficial like before. The new way of doing things is only interested in attracting customers in all different states. Use a unique content type for your audience. If there is further improvement, it is only in the remarketing part. The new way of doing it is to attract customers to the top of the funnel, BOFU. Then give content to people who have visited the sales page but not made a buy. You will continue to write ads so that the customer is at the bottom of the funnel, TOFU. This time the content is different. It is more appropriate because the customer already knows about you. So this content will be shorter and more focused. Pay attention to promotions and more testimonials. Generally, add whatever information the customer needs. It is a hindrance that keeps customers from making a sale. Because customers read, view information from advertising or content, it is all to help them make the right decision. They will read more if they need more information and vice versa. So whether short or long interest depends on your customer journey, not depending on the copywriter or content anymore. This is exactly how we work with our 5-6-figure clients. If you are having trouble with Facebook ads, or have not had results with your agency, and need more advice, join us for a free appointment by clicking the Learn More button.